In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting agenda in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know how to turn a few clear ideas into a polished, shareable agenda that keeps your meeting focused and on time. Start by opening Google Gemini and creating a new chat. A fresh chat helps Gemini focus on the current task without extra context getting in the way. If you already have background information or previous notes, you can paste a brief summary into the chat so Gemini understands the situation, but keep it concise. Before you prompt Gemini, get clear on the purpose and the participants. Ask yourself what outcome you want by the end of the meeting, such as a decision, an update, or a plan, and who needs to be in the room to achieve that outcome. Note the roles of each attendee so you can assign responsibility for specific sections. A few minutes of clarity here will make the agenda sharper and the meeting shorter. Now write a prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you want. Include the meeting type, the topics to cover, time allocation for each item, and who is responsible for leading each section. Also ask for clear, structured sections like title, objective, attendees, agenda items with timing, action items, and next steps. For example, you could say, create a concise agenda for a 45-minute project review meeting. Include a title, objective, attendees, and 5 agenda items with realistic time blocks. Assign a responsible participant for each item. Topics should include status updates, risks, decisions needed, timeline adjustments, and action items. Format with clear sections and a brief summary at the end. If you're running a different type of meeting, like a team update or a strategy session, swap in those details so the structure matches your needs. Review Gemini's output and fine-tune it. Check that the total timing adds up and make sure each item has a clear purpose. If something feels vague, ask Gemini to clarify or tighten it. You might say condense item 3 to 5 minutes, or add a buffer at the end for Q&A, or separate risks and blockers into 2 items. Rearrange topics so the most important decisions happen early while everyone's fresh. When you're satisfied, save or share the agenda with participants before the meeting. You can copy it into your calendar invite, a document, or your team's collaboration tool so everyone can review and prepare. Sending it in advance sets expectations, reduces surprises, and makes the actual meeting far more effective. That's it. Open Gemini, define purpose and people, write a focused prompt, refine the output, and share. You'll run smarter meetings with less stress.